a season. In one season, Esther was an orphan girl. In the next season, she was a queen. In one season, David was a shepherd boy. In the next season, he was a king. In one season, Joseph was a prisoner.
Come on.
In the next season, he was a prime minister.
My God.
In one season, Mordecai was seated at the gate of the palace. In the next season, he was inside the palace.
Oh, no.
Yeah, in one season, Ruth was working in the field. In the next season, she was owning the same field.
My God.
Never judge a person based on a season. In one season, Deborah was an ordinary woman. In the next season, she was a judge and a prophetess in Israel. In one season, Moses was an ordinary man.
Come on.
In the next season, he was the deliverer of Israel.